Hello, respectable audience. I have a question for you. 33 divided by 11 over 11 by 33. We have to make two parentheses. The first parentheses will have 33 divided by 11. Divided by second parenthesis will have 11 divided by 33. Okay? It is a simple division. 33 divided by 11 will be equal to 3. But this is not simple. So we will write it in another way. It will be 11 by 33. Okay? Now, 3 divided by 11, 1 and 11, 3. So it will be 1 by 3. Again, we simplify it. 3, as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and 1 by 3 is flipped. So after flipping, we will get 3. Hence, 3 times 3 will be equal to 9, and 9 will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos.